Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another video for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today on my video, I wanted to share how to add green screen effects to your YouTube video right on your iPhone. Now, to do this, we're going to be using iMovie and an app called Documents. So you'll need iMovie on your iPhone and you'll need this Documents app right here on your iPhone. Now, to start, you want to find green screen videos on YouTube. It's a lot of green screen effect videos on YouTube. A lot of them are royalty free. All of them are royalty free. So when you find the one you want, first thing you want to do is hit the share button, and then you want to go to copy link in the bottom left hand corner. This is for the iPhone. Should look the same on the Android, but copy link on the bottom left hand corner. Now after you copy the link, you want to go into the app called Documents. Now Documents allows you to download video, audio files directly to your iPhone. So we got the video here, and on Documents, once you go into the bottom toolbar at the bottom, you will see a button to the far right for Safari or the browser feature. And then you want to go from en.savefrom.net, or you could type in Google, download YouTube videos, and then it's called savefrom.net. There you would you would paste the YouTube link here. Once you paste the YouTube link, right, you download the video. Now, I already downloaded the video. I got it right here saved. So once it's saved on your phone, you go into, once it's saved on your phone, you click and hold the video, right? Then you drag up, you drag it to photo, and you drop it, right? Now once you drop it, it's gonna copy the file, and from there, right, we go into iMovie. Now when we go into iMovie, I already got this little clip pulled up. This was just like a clip I messed up on. What I'm going to show you how to add green screen from here. Now from here, you would click the plus icon, then you would go to moments, and then you would click, it's sorting them by the day, yesterday, today. So at the top where it says today, you go and then you click on the newest video, and you would click these three dots right here. Just click on select the new video, and then you'll see these three dots appear in the far right selection option, and then you can add it as all of these different options: a cutaway, picture-in-picture, split screen, blue screen, audio only. But for this, we're gonna be adding the green screen effect. So you go to green screen, blue screen, you click that. Now what you gotta do, well, it automatically did it, but normally you select it and then it'll be like, because of the green screen, it's just a good green screen video. But normally, if it's a bad green screen quality video, when you click this, it'll say select the background you want to erase, and then you would just click anywhere where it's green, and then it'll select like in the background, and you just click the area. But tripped on stage, but was I? No, wait, I'm about to cut this mug. We're gonna split it. We're gonna delete that part. Then we're gonna drag this part to the front so you can see what I'm talking about. Now let's mute the audio so you can hear the subscription audio. But normally I just run it on top, but here we go. I like that. But yeah. So that's how you add a green screen effect. It don't look sweet. I'm about to start adding this in all of my YouTube videos, just to add a little more, uniqueness to my style and my approach. So it's so many different green screen effects, man. I got this one video in mind I'm gonna do around Detroit, but I'm gonna use the green screen effects. But yeah, that's how it works. It's real easy. Leave a comment, spam the comments. Let me know if you had any trouble doing this, man. It's very simple. Once again, all you gotta do is go on YouTube, find royalty-free green screen images, right? Green screen videos, and you download the video using the Documents app. Once the video is downloaded on the Documents app, then you drag it to your photo album, and from photo album you can then use the video within iMovie on your phone. You gotta have iMovie already installed, or whatever software you use to edit on the iPhone. But this tutorial is specifically for iPhone, specifically how to add green screen effects into the YouTube video. Now, make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to your boy Yon World.